Hi everyone. This is just a quick one. I just wanted to get some definitions down for these natural hazards that we started talking about today. So I would recommend writing all this stuff down either in your online science notebook or just in a physical notebook. First vocab, natural hazard. This is an event that has a negative impact on land, animals, or humans. Examples are earthquakes, tsunamis, floods, volcanoes, hurricanes, wildfire, drought, landslide, tornadoes. So a lot of natural hazards are also what we were calling geological processes last week. So a geological process that harms people or that has a negative impact on lands or cities or whatever, all of those can be natural hazards as well. So we can call them both. All right, first one, a tsunami. So we think of a tsunami as just like a huge wave, but I want you to rethink that a little bit. And I'm going to include a video in the classwork that you can watch a little bit more about what a tsunami is. But it's not just like a big wave that comes up. It's actually like a very long and tall wall of ocean that's caused by an earthquake. So the reason that tsunamis are so dangerous isn't just that they're really high, it's that they have a lot of volume. So they take a ton of water and kind of thrust it up onto the land. And so that's why they're so dangerous for people and for cities that are on the coast. All right, next one is a hurricane. A hurricane is a storm with very high wind speeds. So the hurricanes that we think of, they originate on the coast of Africa and then they travel across the Atlantic Ocean and usually make landfall like in the Bahamas or Florida, somewhere down south. And then sometimes they'll make their way all the way up to us. But as you guys know, it's pretty rare that they come all the way up to us. By the time they're in the Boston area, usually they're just pretty heavy rain, but not as much wind as they used to have. There are some exceptions, of course, that you guys might remember from a few years ago. All right, and then a tornado is similar to a hurricane in that it's really high winds, but it's a very, very small, it's a tall storm that just is concentrated in a small area, whereas a hurricane can cover like hundreds of miles at once. A tornado can travel hundreds of miles, but it's only ever going to be touching an acre or two at once. So this is a funnel-shaped storm with wind speeds of 65 miles per hour or more. Okay, and then some other natural hazards. As I said before, they can also be geological processes, so landslides, volcanoes, earthquakes, etc. All right, that's it for today. I'm going to include some links to videos that will show you more examples about tornadoes, hurricanes, and tsunamis if you're not very familiar with what those actually look like. And you can just take a quick glance at those videos. They're kind of interesting to watch, but also kind of sad because they're really, really destructive and scary if you're near them. All right, that's it. Fill out the form when you are done. Thanks. Bye.